Hello everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. I am Gaurav Kumar Jain, and here in this video, we will talk about the application named VisionaryLearn built on Python Streamlit. So here the user can upload a lecture video, he can get the transcript, and then he can get the summary of the whole transcript also. And besides that, he can also ask questions relevant to the content of the video, based on which the application will give the answer, give the suitable answer to the user. Right? What is the benefit of using this application? It is an offline application, means you can run it offline without any internet. The help of GenAI based libraries we have used in the backend. It gives the answer, it processes the complete lecture video, it summarizes everything and give the result to you right on this interface. Okay, we have not used any third-party API in the backend. We have not used any ChatGPT key in the backend. It's completely the Python libraries which are available on the internet, which have been used in the backend for creating this complete application and for making it super intelligent. Now, let me just demonstrate it to you first, and after that, we will check out the coding section. So I'm going to browse the file, and here I'm going to upload this video, which I shot a couple of days back. So let me just upload it. So the video is getting uploaded, and once the upload part gets finished, the application will start generating the transcript for us. So that is what is happening currently. So by the time it is generating the transcript, let me just walk you through the code that we have in the backend. So there are 4 files that we have kept here inside this main repository of the application. The name of the repository is VisionaryLearn, inside which we have these files present. So the first file that comes is the summarizer.py. It is using a model called SSH Leaper, which is a part of Distilbot, okay, for summarizing the complete transcript. Then there is this transcribe.py, wherein we are using Whisper, okay. So it is checking the .mp4 file, then it is converting it into a WAV file, and from here it is generating the audio file. This Whisper first converts it into an mp3 file by understanding the complete audio present in the video, okay. Then comes this app.py. So from here we are getting the front end, fine. And then what happens is when the user uploads a video, this is what is shown to the user. The transcript has been saved, and this is the summary that the application has returned. Neuro agent AI-powered terminal assistant lets you control your system. So all this is absolutely correct. Now I have to ask something. So let me just ask, what is the name of the application explaining the video? I'm going to press the enter button. Now the application will see answer question. This is something which will now get executed. Where is this answer question? Let's check it out. So it is coming from QA. So this is where the logic of answering the question based on the content and the question asked by the user is present. Okay, so here if you see, we have used this all mini LM L6 V2 named model for sentence transformer as a sentence transformer. Then there is this model called Distilbot base cased distilled square, which is going to help the application in finding out the exact answer of the question from the transcript which the transcribe.py file has created. Okay, so it will take some time. Let me just show you this video here. So there is this video called Neuro Agent, and then DocuSave is also there, wherein we have used these libraries. Okay, so if you want to learn about these Gen AI libraries and want to clear the Gen AI interviews, I think you can do these projects. You can take them from the GitHub repo, which I share the link of in each of my videos. So you can just take the downloads on your respective device, or you can also set it up on a Linux server on AWS. If you have access to any other cloud platform, there also you can set up an EC2 server, and then you can put all the files there and simply run the application by Streamlit app.py and come. Okay, so it's a very very simple application if you see. Okay, so right now the application is checking the answer based on the transcript context. So this is a complete transcript which the application has extracted from the video. And then the question that I asked was, what is the name of the app explain, right? And the name is Neuro Agent. So this is the answer which the application has given us. Okay, let me ask another question. So what is the name of the person in the video? Gaurav Kumar Jain is the output for this question I asked. Right, so this is how this application works, and this is a very simple application which you can set up very easily on your local device, and you can add it in your resume also, where you want to showcase yourself as a Gen AI engineer. That is it from my side in this lecture. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day, guys. Best of luck for your career.